Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this boot loop issue in your Xiaomi device. So recently I have tried to downgrade from Android 11 to Android 7, which is our stock ROM, and I have flashed this stock ROM through TWRP recovery, but I am facing the unlocked issue. This and my device stuck at this screen. So as you can see, this is my unlocked one, and you can see this is our Redmi Note 4. So this method will work in any device, guys. You can try in any Qualcomm or MediaTek device which is bootloader unlocked. So if you are facing any boot loop issue after flashing any stock ROM or any other ROM, then you can flash this in. If you flash Magics, there will be, you will find like disable DM Verity. So that is also called as lazy flasher. So you have to flash the lazy flasher. As you can see, the device is not going forward and stuck at this screen only, which is called MI unlocked. So this is called boot screen, and this is my Redmi Note 4, as you can see, and I will tell you the process. So I will provide the link of that file in description. Download that zip from description below. So your device won't boot up even if you wait for 1 day, 10 days, because it got some file corrupted in boot image. So if you flash that lazy flasher, then it will fix that issue and your device will boot. So you have to take your device into recovery mode. So for that you have to press your volume up and power button. So let me press it. So let me boot my device into TWRP mode. So this method will work in only bootloader unlocked device. In other devices I haven't tested, so you may need to flash stock ROM again in locked devices, otherwise it may not work. So as you can see, this is my device and it says bootloader is unlocked. So let us wait until the TWRP recovery opens. So after flashing the recovery, I will show you whether my device will boot or not, and I will take you once to my setup screen. Okay, so let me click on the install button. So as you can see, I have kept my ROM in a micro SD card, not ROM, that lazy flasher. So inside here you will find disable DM Verity. So you have to flash this. This is also called as lazy flasher. I will provide this file's link in description below, so you can download it from there. So as you can see, the flashing is being completed, and after flashing it will show you like reboot to system. First it will copy the logs to SD card TWRP folder, and as you can see, guys, I have improved my setup a little bit. You will find a brightest setup in my background, and soon I will improve it. So just you guys subscribe to our channel and support us. You can like this video or you can dislike. If you dislike the video, just let me know your problem in comment section. What changes should I make to my videos? And as you can see, my device is still on unlocked screen. So let us wait 10 to 20 seconds till the device boots automatically. So you need not to worry, guys. As you can see, this is booting forward to Android system. In previous it didn't boot, so we have waited a lot, but now as you can see it is booting. So we have to wait 10 minutes to 5 minutes so that this device will be boot automatically, and there is no any problem regarding this file. So this file will work in MediaTek and Qualcomm devices. So let us wait until the device boots, guys. So once I will show you a time. So wait a minute, let me take my watch. So as you can see, still it is booting, and let me show you time on my device. So this is my Moto G5s. Recently I have repaired it. So as you can see time, and I will take you directly its setup screen, and you can also see the time here. So guys, as you can see, my device is successfully booted into system, and don't go with this time. I will show you time in my Moto device. As you can see, this is the time right now. So it may take around 5 minutes to boot your device into system, but it will boot definitely. So if you are flashing or downgrading and your device goes to boot loop, then you have to format data and you have to flash the ROM whatever you want to downgrade. So then you have to flash the lazy flasher, otherwise it will not work. Format data is necessary if you are downgrading. And this is my Redmi Note 4. There is no any issue at all. I have successfully booted it. Wi-Fi, hotspot, everything works here. And thanks for watching the video guys. Thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe and do whatever you want.